Hi guys, I'm Wana from the Midnight Mouse and today we're doing another unboxing, and here is my first integrity doll. She is Dominique Makeda and she comes from a collector from Romania, so she's not brand new, but let's unbox her together. I'm really excited for this one, and the box is amazing. Here is her box. Oh wow. This unboxing is quite an experience. She's gorgeous. Here is her accessory pack. Let's see, we have a stand. The gorgeous doll. I don't know exactly how should I take her from the box. Oh, okay. Here is her certificate, and she's free now. And oh, that's her heel. Oh, this is a bummer. Her heel broke. No worries, I will fix that. Her hands are painted. She has gloves. Wow, her outfit is amazing. I love her shoes. She has a pedicure. Oh wow, the details are wow. Unexpected. Her earrings are metal actually. I really loved her short hair. And she has eyelashes. Gorgeous eyelashes. She's also jointed at the wrist, elbow, shoulder, bust, hip, knee. Let's see her accessories. Okay. And here we have her hands, the normal hands, with gorgeous manicure and long nails. Wow, she's gorgeous. Oh, I really like her, and I really love her dark color. She's so elegant. I also found the stand. I was wondering where that is. Seems is here. So this is her beautiful stand. and thank you so much for letting me have her.